this from 245 pi. So it becomes 245 pi minus 49 pi, 196 pi. Solve it into 22 by 7. See here, if it's given in pi in exam, keep it this much only. Otherwise, solve it. So go on solving, you will get 616 cm cube. So this much is the water remaining after this figure is immersed in this tub. Okay, so that is the answer. Next, study the question and statements given below and decide which of the statements are necessary to answer the question. Okay, means out of these three we have to check which one of these is necessary to answer this question. Which question? What is the capacity of a cylindrical tank? Now what is cylindrical tank? Cylinder. Capacity means volume. So what is required for a volume? Pi r square h, right? R and h. So check which of these three give R and H. Okay. So area of base is so and so. Okay. What will area of base means this is circle. So what does it give? Pi r square. So you will get R from this because pi you know. So R you can get it from 1. From 2, the height of the tank is 1.5 times of the radius. So if you get R from the first one, then you can get H from the second one, right? Okay. So 1 and 2 are needed. Now third, circumference of the base is 880. Now this is a twist. See here, circumference means again it's a circle and you know it's 880. So from here, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. So from here you can get r again, right? So we require only r and h. So which of these? See here, 1 and 3 both give r, right? And 2 gives only h. So 2 is compulsory. There is no other option. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.